we got the next one in. We're gonna be pretty much doing this whole side. So I'm gonna find me a new fender. We're gonna replace this fender. We're gonna fix this bumper. We're gonna fix the bumper. We're gonna replace this door. Because we need all of this. The trim. We need the door handle. We need all of that. I'm thinking about replacing this door. This door isn't as bad as this one. So I don't know. It's manageable. This door is. This is probably the only spot that's bad on this door. And I'm almost certain that I should fix that. It's just the time. Is it faster to fix it? Does it cost more to fix it than it do to get a new part? So replacing the door. And then we're gonna fix this quarter. Right? Then back bumper. I don't think the trunk is in it in the estimate. I think the trunk is something different. I'm gonna see if I could fix it though, but I think the trunk different. So I think it's just pretty much this whole side and the mirror. Then it's my brother's car, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can find another mirror for this side, and we're gonna fix this fender for him. So pretty much the whole car will be good. Nothing on the front is bad. So just this side, we'll fix this side and that fender and the back bumper. Yeah, I'm gonna take the fender off. I'm about to take it apart now. I'll probably leave the doors on, but everything else I'm gonna take off. Got the old fender off, new fender on, fits up there perfectly. So we gotta get the two doors. I started the body work on the quarter. Got this little spot here, a curve down here, but the dent up there, so I did some work there. I got this out pretty good. So I got still a little dent right here. I'm gonna try to bring this out some more, but this the new tail light. fit up there good. So I like that. I just knock this down, bring this out, and then fiberglass this whole part and shape it. So still a little ways from being done, but got a good jump on it. See, like all this wasn't included. The back bumper, I don't think it was in. I'm gonna see how I get to it though. But yeah, and on this side, dang, he took apart the whole door. I told him he didn't need to do all of this, but whatever. He got it done, so bodywork looked pretty good. He went from the back and decided to do it like that. You could tell he's still a little fresh to bodywork, but cause I tell you right now, a technician, me, I wouldn't have took this off. I would have left it on there and had it back done. But like I said, he wasn't that bad. Only reason he didn't finish because I don't have any Bondo. So we'll see how he work out. But yeah, the bumper, I don't think he's messing with the bumper. I gotta start recording like this for my Alright guys, we done got it pretty good. Still got a couple spots to sand. Still got a few low spots on there too. Excuse me. I'm about to block it, and that's gonna show me all my low spots. See the dark spots? See the dark spots? That means they low. So up here, like all of this is low. This is low. So we got a few more spots, but it's coming along. Better than what it was, right? I gotta do that edge a little bit, but yeah. Ooh, that's nice. You cut the thing.
Yeah.
You supposed to cut that? I thought you were supposed to let it go back.
That's the head. I like the
Oh, the root?
Let's see if it's not there. If not, I'll put some in.
Yeah. But that's nice. That didn't take long to clean it out. What was that?
Last.
Like 2 weeks?
Well, they've been out here 3 weeks now. 3 weeks yesterday.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
It ain't hit hoe.
So now I'm not gonna mess with this no more until I get the doors. I'm trying to get a guy, he's in Raleigh, to get me the doors for $1,000. He wants $1,600 for them. I said I got $1,000. So he was like, the best I can do is $1,350. And I was like, all right, I'll see if I can get a couple of hundred more. And then he was like, well, how much you trying to spend, bro? It's like, I got $1,000. And then I got to get a truck to get down there. You know what I mean? So he ain't take me back yet. But I'm trying to get them $2 for $1,000. Because he wants $1,600 for them, which is not unreasonable. That's about how much they are.
The other waves on tracks. The other waves on tracks.